them aside. So I can select a committee out of the remaining 4. Remaining 10 students, a committee of 4, and I am not choosing any one of them. But if I decide to choose one of them, if I decide to choose any one of them, then the other will not be there. So it will be, I can select one of them into, I am required to select 3 out of 10, because you will have to leave that other person. उन दोनों में से एक को सिलेक्ट करो, दूसरे को छोड़ ही दो. So you will be having 10 students and select 3 of them. Why? Huh? 2 students who will only attend the meeting together. If we exclude both of them, it will be 10C4. But if we decide to choose 2 of them, both should be selected and 10C2. Huh?
If there are 2 students who refuse to be in the delegation together and 2 students who will only
अब करो combinations. Now first part in this, अब ये दोनों cases consider अगर करने होंगे, that 2 students who refuse to be together and 2 students who will be always together, तो पहले तो हम डिसाइड करेंगे सबको छोड़ ही दो, leave them. So out of remaining 8 we choose 4. Okay, plus we decide to choose the one from that group who refuse to be together. Okay, so it will be 2C1, and I am not choosing anyone from those who want to be together. So वो दो भी गए, ये दोनों में से एक को सिलेक्ट किया. So I am left with 8C3 plus I decide to choose the 2 boys who want to be together, that is 2C2, and excluding those who don't want to be together, that means into 8C2. And then I decide to choose one of those who refuse to be together, both the boys who want to be together, into 8C1 will be the answer. Excluding all of them, excluding those who want to be together, excluding those who don't want to be together, and considering all of them. Next.
from 200 automobiles, 30 are selected to test whether they meet the safety requirements. Also, 30 are selected to test whether they meet the anti-collision requirements. In how many ways can the selection be made?
Out of 200 automobiles, 30 are selected to pass test A and 30 to pass test B. Okay. In how many ways this can be done? If the repetitions are allowed, answer will be 200C30 into 200C30. If repetition is not allowed, it will be 200C30 into 170C30. But probably next part में वो कह रहा होगा कि कुछ common है उसमें.
Can the selection be made so that there are exactly 5 automobiles that undergo both tests?
Yeah, we want to choose 5 automobiles which undergo both the tests. That means he doesn't want the repetition. So the first answer of this should be 20C30 or 200C30 into 170C30. That is the answer for the first one. If 2 automobiles are to undergo both the 5 automobiles are to undergo both the tests, then let us select those 5. Okay, who are going to undergo both the tests. Into, now I am left with only 195 and I am required to select another 25 for test 1. Now I will be left with only 170 and I am required to choose 25 for test 2. Next.
A man has 10 friends. In how many ways can he go to dinner with 2 or more of them?
A man has 10 friends. In how many ways he can go to dinner with 2 or more of them? Answer is going to be 10C2 plus 10C3 plus etc. plus 10C10. Can we give the exact value? Because then prior to this we have 10C0 plus 10C1 जो कि इसमें नहीं आते ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि 2 और मोर बोला है. What is this sum? NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 etc. up to NCN is 2 raised to n. 2C1 plus 2C0 plus 2C1 plus 2C2, that gives me 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4. Coefficients of binomial expansion 1 to 1 4, 1 3 3 1 8. ये binomial coefficients ही actually. Then 1 4 6 4 1 16. So it is 2 raised to n. That means this answer will be overall 2 raised to 10. That is 1024. This value is 1. This value is 10. Actual answer is 1024 minus 11. Okay, next.
15 basketball players are to be drafted by the 3 professional teams
Huh.
Chicago and New York.
Hmm.
So that each team will draft 5 players. In how many ways can we?
So we have got in all 15 players which are to be divided among 3 teams A, B, C. In how many ways it can be done? Such that each team contains 5 players. So first let us find out in how many ways we can make the groups of 5 players at a time. So I can make the first group as 15C5, first group. Now I will be left with only 10 players, 10C5 into 5C5. So in these many ways I can put these 15 players into 3 groups. Is that the answer? No, because then you have just group 1, group 2, group 3 and you want to associate them with A, B, C into 3 factorial. Because these groups are to be arranged, the group has to be arranged. A में first group, B में second, C में third. या फिर first group in B, second in A, third in C. या फिर first in C, second in A, third in B, like that. So there are 6 ways in which to put them into the teams, because he has given the names, Chicago and all. If the names wouldn't have been there, answer would be only this. Divide them into 3 teams. But if the names are also there, then you will have to actually put it. This one. Only 3 teams, then only the first part.
In how many ways can we distribute 15 different books
Among
3 students? So that
among S1, S2, S3.
So that S1 and S2 together receive twice as many books as the third one.
Yeah. S1 and S2 together receive twice as many books as S3. That means S3 is surely receiving 5 books. And this sum should be 10. 15 books are to be distributed. Na? So we can decide how many books. 15C5 ways I can choose the books for third one. And now 10 books are to be given among these 2. Okay? Why? It's not said that they should be equal. I decide not to give a single book to S1 and all the 10 books to S2. Or I decide to give 1 book to S1 and 9 books to S2. Like that, the whole thing. Effectively, this comes out to be 1, this is 10C1 will be 10 plus 10C2 नहीं होगा, सम नहीं कर सकते, ध्यान दो. एक्सक्यूज मी, नहीं कर सकते हो, क्यों नहीं कर सकते? नेक्स्ट विल बी 8C8, 10C2 into 8C8. What will be the last one? 10C10 into 10C0. 10C10 into 10C0 will be 10C10 into, ये क्या लिखा है मैंने? 10C10 into 1C1. 1 बुक कहाँ से मिल रहा है आपको? 1C0 कहाँ से? anyway this sum comes out to be 10C0 plus 10C1 plus 10C2 etc. up to 10C10, which is again a binomial sum 2 raised to 10. 15C5 into 2 raised to 10.
Among all 7-digit numbers, how many of them contain exactly 3 nines?
Among all 7-digit numbers, how many of them contain exactly 3 nines? Huh? Among all 7-digit numbers, how many of them contain exactly 3 nines? That means the remaining 4 positions will not be nines. The remaining 4 positions will not be nines. Means they can be filled in other 9 ways. So that is going to be 9 raised to 4, not 9C4. Because even the repetitions will be allowed. 9C4. और अब ये 3 नाइन्स का क्या करें, उनको कहाँ रखें? It is like that BCDE problem and 5 ways to be placed. ऐसा ही था वो. It's like that only. Now 3 nines are to be placed. How many positions do we have? 3 in between and 2 extreme. 3 in between and 2 extreme. So for each one of them we can select any one position. So select any 3 positions, no? But even those 3 positions, they can be repeated also. So will it be 5 raised to 3? Will it be 5C3? Anyway, we stop here. What was the count? कितने कहाँ तक पहुँचे हम? 26. Good speed.